Welcome to ZZZ TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
We trust him then because we knew what he has done in Lagos, and people have that trust in him. And when he came with these policies, of course we are all scared with what really happened, not knowing he is the master of the game. Truly, he has proven to us that he is the master of the game. Because now, as I said initially, we are all scared. Prices were shooting up, petrol, foodstuffs, everything went up. Price of dollar, everything went up. But you can see after 2 years what is really happening, because he knew exactly what he is doing. Petrol prices, food prices, everything is coming down, and the country is beginning to stabilize. We want to thank Mr. President. We want to thank this administration. You are highly welcome to Kano, and Kano is the center of commerce, and we have to appreciate what this current government is doing. I want to appreciate everybody, that mostly the business community that are here. I want to wish you safe back home safely. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Dauda ka hutu rarara ka zama reserved.